Yeah, this is Robin from Back Pain Bootcamp, and today's question is what I do to get my back to stop hurting. What do you need to do to get your back to stop hurting? Well, guys, there's a few things you could do quite quickly, okay, that could reduce your back pain quite a bit. The first thing, as always, is to walk, okay? Start off a morning routine after breakfast to go out for a walk, 15 to 20 minutes, and increase that gradually until you hit 40 minutes in the morning, okay? That's the number one activity you should be doing. Also make sure that you get some good shoes, okay? To make sure that your feet is in good contact with earth, okay, when you're walking. Because if you have like different problems with your feet, that can definitely irritate your back as well, okay? Also make sure that you get plenty of rest, guys, okay? Sleep between 7 or 8 or 9 hours a night, okay? And if you have problems during the night with your back pain, you can sleep on your side with a pillow between your legs, okay? More or less, you want to make sure that your back isn't too curved when you're sleeping, okay? You could also visit like a bed place and get a new mattress. Make sure that it's the right mattress for you, okay? Other things you could do, you know, reduce the intake of coffee, okay? If you're really hyper during the day, you know, and you're drinking 10 or 12 cups of coffee, okay, that can increase the stress, and stress isn't really good for your back pain, okay? Also make sure to mingle and socialize, okay? Call up some old friends, go out for dinner, go out for to the movies, or do something, okay, just to interact with other people, okay? Try hot and cold showers. That can definitely help you, okay? And of course, visit a physiotherapist to get some core stability exercises. And if you are office worker, for example, and you're sitting down all day, you know, in front of your desk, you definitely need to get a standing desk. And the first thing you should do is to maybe stand like a half an hour in the morning, half an hour after lunch, and half an hour in the afternoon, okay? And then you increase that gradually, so you're basically standing like an hour and a half, 2 hours in the morning, an hour and a half, 2 hours after lunch, and the same thing in the afternoon, okay? So you should be standing like 3 to 4 to 5 hours a day, okay, depending on your situation. That's a few tips, guys. Give them a go, okay? And guys, remember, you're just one step away from healing your back pain.